Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll talk about how to use Google Drive. So let's go. Just move to, first of all, open a browser. After logging to your Google account, then move to top right corner and you can see here is Google Drive. So click on that. Now it will redirect you to Google Drive. Now here you can see a lot of options. This is a Google Drive, and the URL also you can see Google Drive, and my drive. So whatever file, folder and all those things you can create, all are saved in this drive, my drive. Okay, also you can search any file or folder within this box, searching drive. And left side you can see my drive, start with me, recent folder, start, and trash. Trash is also important thing. If you delete or remove any item from this folder, then it will be moved to trash folder. Okay, so Google Drive by default 15 GB storage you will get, and you can extend this GB also by purchasing from Google. So if you want to create a new file or folder, then you can see a lot of options here. Google Docs, Google Sheets means Google Excel sheet, Slides means PowerPoint slide, and also Google Forms and all those things here. You can upload files, you can upload folder from your computer. Okay, so today I am showing how to create a file or folder, and you can share with the people also. Okay, so for that you have to click on new and click on folder. Suppose I want to create a new folder, so a pop-up window will appear in front of you. So just give a name of the folder. You can give any name of the folder or file, but the name should be meaningful and understandable so that you can find later very easily. Okay, now the folder is created in your Google Drive. Opening the folder, and now you can create a file also. So I have created. So right now I am uploading some two files within this folder from the computer. So click on new and file upload option. Click on file upload option and select your files and open it. So here you can see the uploading of 3 items or files, and it is done. So this is very simple way you can keep all the files which are very important. You can store in your Google Drive, and later you can use it from anywhere in the world. You don't have to carry your computer drive or laptop. So this is the main advantages of Google Drive. If you think what is the advantage of Google Drive, firstly comes your local drive versus your Google Drive. Your local drive, you can see all the files folder locally, and Google Drive is online. From anywhere you can get it easily. You can modify, you can do everything on Google Drive. Now I am showing that the file was created. You can share it with any people. For that you have to give email address of that people, or you can create a group with the number of email address, and you can share it with the name of the group. Now I am creating another folder and named it my important doc, and click on create. So another important documents, your documents, you can save it in this folder. So this time I am not uploading. This time I am creating a file from here. So you have to click on new option. You have to choose new option from top left corner, and here you can see Google Docs, Google Excel. So first I am creating documents of the Google. So first time I am creating a Google document, a sample text. So you can create your own way, and you can save it. So for saving a file, you can click on share option in top right corner. When you will go for sharing this file, then you will ask for a name of the file. There you can give a name and save it. But unless or until you finishing your document, Google automatically save this file. You can see in the above, whatever you are making changes here, it is automatically saved. You can format here as you like. Here are a lot of options like Microsoft Word. Means I want to say, if you know Microsoft Word, then you can use Google document, and you can create this document with a lot of options, and you can save it, you can share with the people, and you can keep for you only also. It depends on you. So I am just showing lot of options are there. Here you can see, you can print the Google document also. Printed option is here. So I am going back. Here file, share, new, all options here like Microsoft Word. You can create new document, spreadsheet means Excel file. Here you can insert image also from your computer. You can upload from your computer. Lot of options is there for uploading an image. Okay, let's save the file. For that already I have told that you have to move to share option. You have to click on share option in the top right corner for saving the file or share the file. You can give any name, but remember your file name should be meaningful, so that you can understand very easily, and so that you can find your file in the future very easily and quickly. And also the file name should be meaningful, because when you share the file to the people, so that they can easily understand what the file is. Okay, you can share your files or folders with the people or groups in different ways, and lot of options is there. So day by day, when you will work with it, you can understand very easily. I am showing you just the basic introduction of the Google Drive, how you can use it. Now I am creating Excel file in this folder. So Google Sheet is Excel file. Here also I am creating a sample Excel file, and I will show you how to create it, just like Microsoft Excel sheet. So remember, the main advantages of Google Drive is you can create files, folders and keep it in Google Drive. Even your important documents from the computer, you can keep it in Google Drives, so that you can work from anywhere. Especially in lockdown period, you can create official work also from home. So for that, if you want to create with your team of your colleagues, so just create a group with that people and share it with. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon.